Finally, I want to talk about, I talked a little bit about military grade security. So we are the most certified object storage on the marketplace. We've gone through pretty much every certification that the federal government has thrown at us. We've got over 150 petabytes of data in the cloud, on Cloudian with the federal government, and then many more within the commercial space. But they've run us against common criteria, NIST certifications, SEC certifications, pretty much everything you can think of. One of the big things that we're able to offer customers, both in a WEKA joint environment and for Cloudian, is this SEC certification that is called Object Lock. And what it does is it makes any file that is stored on Cloudian immutable to any kind of alteration, either from a ransomware, foreign agent, or from an internal resource that either has nefarious intentions or maybe just tries to delete a file by accident. So having immutable storage on premises is pretty much the most surefire way to protect your data in this day and age of rampant ransomware. It is tamper-proof, so we call it an air gap solution. But you can send data to multiple points, either to the cloud or to other storage, other buckets that you have on different networks, to be able to protect it if you need to have a multiple bucket scenario. Excuse me. We've been validated by NIST to provide AES 256 encryption, both at rest and in transit. So that is not just a kernel that we're using. They've actually gone in and validated our solution against that. So I think one of the other things too that we're able to offer is having to create I mentioned single namespace before, but you can also create multiple buckets on-prem if you are a service provider, or if you're a large agency or company that has multiple customers and you need to be able to build them out separately. So say you've got some customers who you need to use us for a WEKA environment, and then you've got your backup team that might be able to need some storage. You can use S3 and the billing components of that to be able to bill out, to say that, so your WEKA customers were taking 50% of your storage, backup was taking another 25%, and your Splunk environment was taking the other 25%. You can then be able to build them back, or determine who's using what, and make your storage storing more efficient.